leaders of the opposition parties are expected to meet Congress Party President and the LOP Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge's chamber at around 10 a.m. and they will be now chalking out their strategy. And in about an hour's time, it is now being expected when it comes to a joint protest by the opposition bloc that is also expected, that will be demanding a statement from the Home Minister. This is something which the opposition has remained firm and consistent, and also raising the issue of the Ram Mandir donation theft or chanda chori in Parliament. Now, lots have happened ever since. We are looking at the previous week's Parliament session, and of course, when it comes to the act that has happened against Pappu Yadav over the controversial skit that he performed within the Parliament complex. So we are now looking at these issues that are likely to be raised on part of the opposition in the Parliament today with the ongoing monsoon session. Nyamika, the opposition floor meeting, the opposition strategy, what are we learning?
The opposition floor leaders meeting is at 10 o'clock in Mallikarjun Kharge's chamber, where they are going to prepare a strategy regarding what all issues they are going to raise. And at 10:30 a.m. today, there is another round of protest which is going to take place at Makardwar, where all the opposition parties are going to demand a statement from the Home Minister's side regarding the police action which was being taken against the protesting youth on 20th of July, and also that they are going to demand is for a discussion regarding the Ram Mandir Chanda Chori issue, because they are stating that this is something which is related to the Hindu sentiments, and for that reason they are seeking a proper clarification on the part of the government of India that what kind of action have been taken against all those who have been involved in this Chanda Chori. Not just that, but they are also going to raise a demand for a SC monitored probe into this entire issue, because they are stating that it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's responsibility to give a justification that why this kind of a scam has taken place in Ram Mandir, and why there was absolute silence on the part of the government of India, as there is no such statement which is being given by either the Prime Minister or the Home Minister regarding this entire matter. We have seen that how yesterday only there was a press conference which was being done by the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP Mr. Pramod Tiwari, in which he has made a big allegation stating that all the BJP members are not being involved in Chanda Chori, but all those who have been involved in Chanda Chori are the BJP members. So this kind of an attack is coming in from the
to resonate in the Parliament as far as we are entering now week 3 of the Parliament session, and it seems that what happened with Pappu Yadav already, though he has defended his controversial skit, is likely to be raised on part of the opposition as well. Thank you, Nyamika, for that back. But